Hello students, this is the third part of your class 8 chapter, lesson number 2, Customizing Tables in MS Access 2007. Till now children, we have learned how to create a database. In that database, we have created a table. We have viewed the table in design view as well as in datasheet view. In the datasheet view, children, we have added the fields, we have edited the field, we have deleted the fields, we have set the data type in design view. After that, we came to know about the primary key. We came to know about the primary key. We came to know about the relationships which existed between different tables in a database. With the primary key, we came to know about the foreign key also. And now children, in this part, we are going to learn about sorting and filtering feature. So for more details, please look at the slides. We have already learned about creating table, customizing the table in design view and relationship. In this third part of customizing table in MS Access, we are going to learn about modifying data and deleting record, sorting the records and filtering the records. How to modify the data and delete a record. To modify the existing data, simply navigate to the record to be modified, use the arrow keys and the delete or backspace key to change the existing data. To delete a record, first navigate to the record to be deleted, then pull down the delete button in the records group in the home tab and choose the delete record option. Sorting records. Sorting is probably the simplest way to look at data in an orderly, arranged manner and kept together at one place. We could sort our data in a number of ways. Sort students based on the classes, sort our students by the state in which they live or by their zip codes, sort our students by the subjects they take. Sorting based on text values. MS Access sorts based on text values. It offers two options, A to Z and Z to A. A to Z. Values from A in an alphabetical order moving towards Z are displayed. Z to A. Values closest to Z are displayed first. Sorting on text values. A to Z. Values starting from A in an alphabetical order moving towards Z are displayed. Z to A. Values closest to Z are displayed first. Sorting based on a text value. Right-click on the field you wish to sort. When the menu appears, select the desired sort option. Records will be sorted in an ascending order as shown. Sorting based on numeric values. Smallest to largest, ascending values. Numeric values will be displayed starting from smaller number to larger number. Largest to smallest, descending values. Values furthest from 1 are displayed first. Sorting based on a number value. Right-click on the field you wish to sort. When the menu appears, select either the lowest to highest or the largest to smallest option. With highest to lowest, records will be sorted using the chosen field's value with the value furthest from 1 at the top of the table. With the smallest to largest option, records will be sorted based on the chosen field's value with the value closest to 1 at the top of the table. Clearing a sort. To clear the sort, click the Clear Sort command in the Sort and Filter group on the ribbon. Filtering records. We can filter data using what Microsoft calls the filter by field and filter by selection methods. Access can perform an advanced filter, which is really a small query that runs only on one table. Filtering records, it searches all the records in a table, find every record in that table that meets the criteria, displays the result in the table by hiding the records that do not meet the criteria. Filter by field. It lists all the values that have been entered in a specified field so that we can choose which value or values access to find. Filter by selection. It offers the ability to search records based on the value that is currently selected in a table. Equal to the value, not equal to the value, continuing the value, do not contain the value. Advanced filter. It narrows filtered result further by performing additional filters or sorts. To filter the records using filter by field, highlight the column for the field we want to use as a filter. We are filtering using the first name field in the given example. In the sort and filter group in the ribbon, click on the filter command. When the dialog box appears, select the value that we want to use as filter value. Checking select all will return every record in the table. However, clicking on this option when all the values are checked will clear the selections. Checking blank will find only records in which this field is empty. Check as many of the values as we would like to see returned in your results. Click OK. The results will appear in the table. Example, only those records are written that we have selected. Now let's take a quick sum up. Each table should always have a primary key. Access automatically creates a primary key for us and assigns it a field name of ID and the auto number data type. A foreign key, simply stated, is another table's primary key. A relationship is how we tell the program that a piece of information means the same thing in more than one table. Relationships are created using a primary key from one table and linking it to the related field in another table, that is foreign key. Sorting is probably the simplest way to look at data together in an organized manner. Data can be filtered in Access 2007 using filter by field and filter by selection methods. When we filter by field, Access 2007 finds all of the values that have been entered in the specified field. Thank you, children.